technology exclusive.
Power up your electric future. Are you ready to electrify your future? Today we're diving into the world of electric vehicles and, more importantly, how you can seamlessly integrate them into your daily life right at home. Forget range anxiety and complicated charging stations. We're going to demystify EV charging, show you how straightforward it can be to power up your ride, and even explore how your home can adapt to this incredible technology. Get ready to power up your electric future, starting now. How EV charging works. Let's break down how EV charging works. It's simpler than you think. Electricity begins its path at a power plant and travels through vast networks, eventually reaching your home. The first stop is your home's electrical panel, the central control hub. It safely distributes power to every light switch, outlet, and appliance. When you plug in an EV charger, it taps into this panel. The charger then intelligently converts the AC power from your home into DC power that your car's battery needs to safely charge. Your home's electrical system. Before you get an EV charger, it's good to understand your home's electrical system. Most standard outlets operate at 120 volts. The overall capacity of your home's electrical panel is usually around 100 to 150 amps. This is generally sufficient for all your everyday appliances. However, for faster EV charging, you'll need 240 volts and a dedicated circuit for 40 to 50 amps, similar to what a large appliance uses. If your home has a 100 amp electrical panel, adding an EV charger might push your system beyond its safe limits, meaning an upgrade might be necessary. Here's what your home could look like after an electrical upgrade for EV charging. The electrical panel is now a robust 200 amp capacity, and a new EV charger is fully integrated. With a 200 amp panel, you have plenty of capacity for EV charging, plus all your home's needs. This visual transformation clearly demonstrates the benefits and feasibility of upgrading your electrical system to accommodate convenient home EV charging. Level 1 charging. Now let's explore the different levels of EV charging, starting with level 1 charging. This is the simplest method. You just plug your EV into a standard 120 volt wall outlet. It's the slowest, adding about 3 to 5 miles of range per hour, meaning a full charge could take 40 to 50 hours. It's best suited for plug-in hybrid vehicles, or if you only drive short distances daily. The main advantage is no installation cost, but its slow speed makes it impractical for many full electric vehicle owners. Moving on to level 2, charging. This is the sweet spot for most home EV owners. It uses a 240 volt circuit, similar to what a clothes dryer uses, and requires a dedicated charging station professionally installed. This significantly boosts charging speed, giving you 12 to 30 miles of range per hour. A full charge typically takes 4 to 10 hours, easily done overnight. It's the most common and practical option for home EV charging, offering convenience and speed, though it does require a professional installation. Finally, we have level 3 charging, also known as DC fast charging. These are commercial charging stations, not for home use. They use very high voltage and current, delivering 180 to 1,200 miles of range per hour. You can often get an 80% charge in just 15 to 45 minutes. It's incredibly fast and perfect for road trips or quick top-ups. However, it's the most expensive per kilowatt hour and is exclusively found at public or commercial stations. To quickly summarize the charging options, this bar chart offers a clear visual comparison of the charging speeds across all 3 levels. You can easily see how dramatically the speed increases from level 1, which provides a modest 3 to 5 miles per hour, to level 2 at 1230 miles per hour, and finally to the ultra-fast level 3, which can deliver 180 to 1,200 miles per hour. Ready to take the next step for home EV charging? Our Book Your Installation section is where you can schedule a professional service. We outline what's included: professional installation, permit handling, and electrical panel upgrades if needed. We also offer a free consultation to assess your system and discuss your specific needs. Simply fill out the form with your details, and our team will contact you within 24 hours to arrange your consultation.
This is an Elevate technology exclusive.